Cá Rô Phi boat.
So here's a bunch of fish in here, you guys.
Mệt quá. To Cá Lóc. Alright, got the first one, you guys. That's good?
Yeah.
Ow!
Very nice.
Mọi người ơi, but vô đây tiếng Việt không biết ở đâu. Before I jump into the pond, get dirty and catch fish with my hands, and yeah, my dog's gonna be coming. Also, I'll be cooking some Cá Lóc for my Vietnamese friend, Vietnamese style. I want to give a big shout out to Surfshark VPN. If you guys don't know what Surfshark VPN is, it's a service that protects your internet information. And it also blocks ads, malware, and makes your internet speed faster. When I say it protects your information, think of a lock, but like a virtual lock that has an alarm. For example, when I signed up for Surfshark VPN, I was immediately informed that 2 of my email addresses have been compromised. So I'm thinking, when? How? It gives you all the information. It tells you exactly what website was compromised, and it provides an article about this and when it happened and all the details for you to make sure you protect your online information. You know, online protection is really important for me. Another thing that's great about Surfshark VPN, especially for people who are traveling internationally or constantly moving different countries, you can change your location of your server. If you're somebody who likes to watch movies, say Netflix for example, or in Vietnam, phim mới, when I go back to California, I can't watch phim mới. My server says I'm in Vietnam. And then when I'm in Vietnam, I want to watch Netflix, I can change my server to somewhere in the United States. That allows me to have more access to movies on Netflix. In some places like China, you can't even access Netflix. So you guys, Surfshark VPN, it's cheap, it's affordable, and all the information will be in the description box below. Also, make sure to use my promo code. My promo code is VMD, for Vietnam Meets Dustin, VMD. You'll get 83% off and 1 month free. Let's go catch some fish and cook them. And yeah, Supsik will be coming too. She's gonna get filthy. Started draining this pond, I think early morning or last night. Still some water over there. This morning I saw some bigger fish, so I'm actually quite curious to see how big some of the fish are in here, because this is connected to a river, so this is wild fish. But yeah, and Supsik. Oh! I need to get one of those the baskets to put in the water, because with my hands not so good. Oh, John, oh, that's a huge Cá Rô Phi boat. Huge Cá Rô Phi. I'll show you guys later when I get close to them. That's huge. Where is it? Ah! Cá Rô Phi, but it got away. Okay, there we go. There we go. Got it. Cá Rô Phi boat. And yeah, I cut my hand already. I hate catching these with my hands. Every video I say that. And then Supsik. Okay. I gotta clean my camera now. But I got it. Look at that. Okay. Stop moving. What is it? Suckerfish flaku. Here, there we go. It's a lot of big fish here. Next time I need to wear gloves. But yeah, it's okay. But yeah. Oh, Cá Lóc or Cá Pú, suckerfish. Cá Lóc! Yeah, they got Cá Lóc. That was hard. And Supsik. What is that? Okay, what? You know, yesterday I gave her a bath too. Within like 15 minutes of giving her a bath, she was playing in the mud. Impossible to keep her clean. All right, let's try this again. All right, guys, I accidentally dropped my basket. I got the Rô Phi, Cá Lóc, the suckerfish. I don't think anybody cares about that much, but. And I got a glove, so things will be a little bit different now. We're gonna see what Gui's doing. I think he's caught in 4 snakehead Cá Lóc. 4 Cá Lóc.
Dạ. Cá lóc bự nè.
Oh, đã lắm. Bổ quá.
Bự quá ha. Đó mẹ này con.
Còn dính mình ở đâu nữa mà.
Không sao, kệ để lát lên rửa mặt chứ bình sinh kệ nó gì đâu con. Đi bắt cá là phải có sình.
Bổ quá. I'm jealous. I just caught in the suckerfish and tilapia. But okay. Back to fishing, because I got a glove now, so I'm not as
Polo cá.
Oh, polo!
Đừng cắn nữa con.
Polo caught the fish, wow. I wish Soup Stick was that good. All right, got another one. Smaller than the last one, but the other one got away, so. Mud quá. No. Got another one. The other one escaped, but this will do. So here's a bunch of fish in here, you guys. Oh yeah. I can't take credit for it though. Got a little king, you guys. That was unexpected. Oh yeah. The gloves help so much. Oh. All right, I got myself a little basket. Ooh, don't go anywhere, you guys. There's some big Rô Phi right there. Come on. Ooh, I got it. I don't know if you guys saw that. I got that. What is that? Oh man, bummer. Cá Lóc. All right, Cá Lóc. But I don't want Cá Lóc because they taste fine. What is that right there? You guys see it right there? No, no. Man, gloves make such a big difference. But I don't know where I'm gonna put this one. So I go in here, one in here. Look at that, you guys. I got 2. 2 Cá Lóc. Ooh. When you have the basket and the glove, so much easier than just using your hands. But I don't know where to put them because everybody left. Ow! God, that hurt. Okay, I just caught a Rô Phi, and I just stepped on a Cá Lóc. I'm tired. I'm the suckerfish, and they got some sharp things, so I just cut my toe. But nobody's here, so I have to hold on to it. I'm gonna call it quits. We've been doing this for like an hour, but we're gonna cook some of these up. Uh-oh, no. Okay, I see a fish down there. No, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Stop moving, you fish. This one's in the mud. It's in the mud. Easy. Don't move. Don't move. No. Look at that. There we go. No. Okay, got it. Right in here. Ooh. I said I was done. Juice, huh? That was just too easy. Okay, what was I saying? Hold on. I'm gonna get this fish out. If you guys have never done this, it takes a lot more energy walking through the mud. But yeah, either I'm gonna cook it or Gui's wife Han will cook it. If I cook it, I might ruin it. It might waste the fish if it doesn't come out very good. But I'm gonna clean up get rid of this fish, and I'll see you guys in a minute. And here's the fish. Okay, now I'm gonna go. So, I don't know. How many kilos? Bao nhiêu ký? 100kg?
Nhiều lắm.
Yeah. We caught a ton of fish. Probably over 100 kilos of fish. I'm really surprised. Oh, nhiều lắm. I need to catch my breath still. I'm just washed off a little bit, but I need to take a shower soon. Ooh, so fun. All right, I'm cooking or somebody's cooking. Chubi. Big Cá Lóc. You guys can see my hand. Wow, look at that. This one right here, its head is huge. So, and I have huge hands, you guys, so the fish are a lot bigger than they look. But all this is Cá Lóc in that one pond. I'm really surprised about that. Guys, I'm gonna be cooking these 2 Cá Lóc right here. There's my hand. They're probably about 14 inches or so. I think. I don't know in centimeters, but we're gonna start cooking these barbecue. So now it's time to film. CHUI is gonna be the judge. I mentioned earlier from the YouTube channel Thú Vui Dân Dã. But I'm going to attempt to cook Cá Lóc Vietnamese style with the sticks in the fish and barbecuing it, and then have it with salt and some lime juice and maybe some sugar and chili. So, all right, let's get started.
I will wait and see.
I know he'll be honest, but CHUI's pretty easy. My other Vietnamese friends are like, Dustin, this tastes like or tastes terrible, but soup sick. Okay, let's start. All right, guys, I got my Cá Lóc, and they're already dead, so don't worry. They might be moving a little bit. I'm gonna take the stick and jam it inside, and CHUI will help me if I'm ruining it, and I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of comments telling me what I'm doing wrong, but okay, let's do this. Okay, that. So just trying to remember, because we already got the stuff here. So what I remember, they cook really fast. So they don't cook it that long, they cook fast. Fire underneath when covering it. So I think I can do it.
Yeah,
okay.
I think so.
I just don't want to ruin it. All right. Because when I've seen it before, you guys don't clean it. So you don't scale it, you don't do anything.
Yeah.
Cá Lóc is very, or snakehead, it's really slimy, so it's kind of hard to hold.
Subject! Subject đi! Oi, 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 subject đi. Yeah.
So I feel the stick in the meat. Though.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
It's okay now.
Okay. All right, I got the first one, you guys. The stick's kind of in the meat. That's not really what I want, but I think it'll be okay. Oh, this one. Oh, I did a good job. This one is good. This one is okay. When I say slimy, you guys, look at that. Nice and slimy. I want it nice and clean here.
I know.
I'm trying to do this Vietnamese style here, so bear with me. Because if I do it, it'll be a little bit different. All right, I think this is okay. So, CHUI, how am I doing so far? Is this okay?
It's okay now.
It's okay now. Yeah. Now. So I'm waiting for the comments.
I'm not sure for later.
We'll see. All right, guys. The bamboo broke off, so I gotta flip it. Don't judge me too much with this. Oh, no, what? I think xong rồi. Or chưa xong. Đành quá.
Tân fish upside down. Cái sàng đi. Cá.
You guys are gonna make fun of me so much in the comments. I'm trying to copy you guys in Vietnam, but I'm doing a terrible job at that. You know, I took a shower earlier too, and now it's like sweaty again. Okay. Đẹp quá. It's a little burnt, but I think the meat will be fine inside. Really? More? No.
Yeah. This side not.
Okay, I think this is like a 50% fail. No. Oh! So in the comment section, you guys can tell me how I'm doing. We had to help out a little bit because we'd be eating raw fish. But the last time I saw somebody do this, they cooked it in like, it was only like 4 or 5 minutes and it was finished, but I think it'll be cooked through. And no, we didn't take any of the organs out, left everything. Probably can't even tell there's a fish in there, but yeah. Wait, this looks terrible. Absolutely terrible. But it'll be okay.
Yeah, I think it will be okay.
So, looks can be deceiving.
Now we going to clean the skin.
Yeah, so clean it off. Now we're gonna move locations, you guys. We gotta clean the skin off and then try the cá lóc. See how I did for kinda. I guess you wouldn't say Vietnamese barbecue for snakehead, but I tried. I tried. So we got the lime, the chili, the salt. We're gonna take the lime, squeeze it into this. And then the cá lóc, that looks nothing like a fish right now. That's okay.
Already clean.
Sorry, I'm making everything dirty. So we're gonna start it, you guys. CHUI, how do you think I did?
I think you did good, but I'm not sure if it's well cooked or not.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna be overcooked. All right, CHUI. Just scrape it.
Yeah.
Just scrape it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, your wife's gonna kill me. I'm making everything so dirty.
Yeah. We have to spoon before we die.
I know. All right, CHUI, I'm screwing this one up. Because when I peel it, this it's taking some meat off too.
Skin and then eat. Like this.
Ah, okay.
Because I'm so hungry now. Like this.
Hey, that looks good. I did a good job.
It's good. Yeah.
There we go.
But not sure yet because we not yet check the in the middle.
Yeah, but the middle, sometimes when I've had it in Vietnam, it's not always cooked.
Yeah. It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Ow!
Very nice.
I did it.
You first.
All right.
Ăn đi.
My hands. No. First one, you guys. Ah!
Ngon hả?
Well, all right. I did good. It's okay though, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Ngon.
Ngon. I just this side. Ngon.
Đã, ăn nữa.
Ăn nữa. Ngon.
All right. Dustin số 1 Việt Nam.
Số 1. Ăn dơ sống lâu.
Wow.
Ngon rất rồi.
Yeah. I'm proud of myself, you guys.
Sớm quá. Không ăn cái ruột cũng. Ruột ngon.
Yeah.
Ăn nữa đi.
Nữa.
That's it. Ngon.
Yeah.
Mấy bạn kia đang nướng phần ở ngoài. Ngon ha, Dustin ha. Ngon ha. Ngon.
I'm surprised.
Me too. If not, you waste my 1 ton of.
I know I waste your fish.
Coconut milk.
Oh.
Let's see. Quá Dustin ơi.
In tiếng Việt, how do you say like proud of myself? Like you're happy. I know happy, but like proud. How do you say proud of yourself tiếng Việt?
Rất tự hào.
Rất tự hào.
Tự hào. Tự hào bản thân.
Yeah, bản thân. Rất tự hào bản thân. You guys, we just caught this maybe like 30 minutes ago.
Dustin số 1.
I don't know about that. Chưa biết.
Số 1. Số 1. Số 1.
Yeah, I need to cook
Number
like
1.
a phở or like bún bò.
Mày
khó hơn. Cá lóc nướng.
Rồi.
Oh, wow. All right, you guys. So CHUI and I are going to finish eating the little bit left. Make sure to check out CHUI's channel, Thú Vui Dân Dã. If you want to help support my channel, subscribe, like, leave a comment. Always appreciate that, and I'll try to cook more Vietnamese food a little bit later. So, tạm biệt mọi người. Ăn đi. Ngon quá.